Hey guys, Ilsa here. Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to show you how I put on my wig in the morning. I love like that I don't have to do anything to my hair, so this is what it's looking like. So I do spray my hair every single night, and then I put some oil on my braids. So I don't necessarily like really focus it onto my scalp, but I just, if it happens to get onto my scalp, it's not a big deal. I'm using like a mixture that I've made. I don't even know where it is right now, but I pretty much just poured a bunch of different oils in there that I thought would be helpful for my scalp and for my hair, and then I just kind of just run my hands over my head like this, and then I tie my scarf. All right, so you're gonna start out by putting on your wig cap. And then this is the same wig that I cut in my other video. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. So I knew that I wanted something short and simple, and I really feel like I found that in this wig. Let me get some earrings and I'll be right back. All right guys, and this is my look. And I'll see you in my next video.